Kajala Megalaya HADUH KIBA MYNSNGI juga khatsan tarik unai lur ahaja arpo kaladan chispa nyu pu arngut kibiyo thamayo COVID-19 balai pukandai ngut kiblak KOIT no. Director ke Health Service Dr. Amanwar mentakas ngi ula pentip bana kini ki chispa nyu pu arngut kibiyo thamai hindri pu engut kide kiriyo pajba na East Giant Hills District nyu pu sangut na East Khasi Hills District kiba kintu bi arpo engut na ka Armed Force but Paramilitary Force basan phulai engut kiriyo pajba Iwe Rio Paiba na North Garo Hills District, Iwe Rio Paiba na South Garo Hills District, Armut ki Rio Paiba na South West Garo Hills District, Kandaingut na ka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force kiba na West Garo Hills District, Arpulaingut ki Rio Paiba na Riboy District, but Iwe Rio Paiba na West Giant Hills District. Nakinik live kandaingut ki bakoj mentagas ngi laingut ki na East Giant Hills District shiphongut na East Khasi Hills District iway na Riboy District iway na South Garo Hills District but arpasangut na West Garo Hills District nakajing yo thamai kini ki shispa nyu pu arngut but kajing koj no ki live kandaingut Kajala Megalaya HADUH bapinmi yakani ka khubor kadan 100,000 live nriu tali ki positive case 6,000 praspa khatpra tali ki active case 8,000 shispa khandai pho tali ki recovered case but arpu phrangut ki blak khlat no Nakini ki 6,000 praspa khatpratali ki active case 6,000 shispa prapunyo tali ki na East Khasi Hills District Hakaba aspa andri phongot ki na ka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force but khandai spa arpunyo ngot ki rio pajba ka West Khasi Hills District kan South tali ki active case South West Khasi Hills Sun Riboy District shispa san puar Hakaba South punyo ngot ki na ka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force but shispa san ngot ki rio pajba ka West Giant Hills District kan South tali ki active case East Giant Hills District arspa lai West Garo Hills District shispa prapulai Hakaba nyopu arngut ki na ka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force but shispa khatwingut kiriyo pajba ka South West Garo Hills District kadan shipotali ki active case South Garo Hills arpo East Garo Hills khanyo but North Garo Hills khalai tali ki active case
is 172 East Giant Hills 61 East Khasi Hills 74 21 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 53 others category. North Garo Hills 1, South Garo Hills 1, Southwest Garo Hills 2, West Garo Hills 9, Riboy 23, and West Giant Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 1,818. Out of this, 1,187 are in East Khasi Hills. 260 armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 927 others category. West Khasi Hills 14, Southwest Khasi Hills 5, Riboy 152, 47 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 105 others category. West Giant Hills 14, East Giant Hills 203, West Garo